I'm here in Pen y Gwryd at the foot of Snowdon in Snowdonia National Park, and behind me is this epic sign which is causing a bit of a stir.
I've never seen anything like it. I mean, even just the view itself is amazing, and the mirrored letters just exaggerate how beautiful it is.
So apparently we are the first ones to get up here and take a picture with the epic sign. And I think it's epic. I think it's amazing. Yeah, the view is amazing, the sign itself is amazing, and yeah, it's just breathtaking, to be honest.
Snowdonia is amazing for mountain biking. The sheer size and scale of the place, and the access we've got to forest, to some of the mountain paths on Snowdonia at certain times of the year, to just the wild riding in such a small area. We've got massive.
Wales is brilliant for surfing, both at the coast, we get some Atlantic swells, and we've got the first inland surfing lagoon in the world. So it's just a brilliant, unique surf trip.
For what I do, I take on extreme expeditions in extreme locations, and Wales is great for that. It's got the difficult and challenging terrain, from your mountains to your gorge walking. I always say that it toughens you up and hardens you up ahead of any expedition that you take on abroad.
We heard the sign is going to be taken around the country, and I think it's a great idea. I think it's going to showcase the beauty of Wales.
Snowdonia is an amazing place for the epic letters to start their journey. There's so much history based in the mountains here, and you know, it's no surprise that Hilary and his team used Mount Snowdon in this very area to prepare for their 1953 summit of Everest, and it's just an amazing place to start the epic journey.